Wednesday, my dude. It is Wednesday, my dude. Wednesday. It is Wednesday, my dude.
Hey y'all, welcome to the rally. It is Wednesday, my dudes. So it is also Meme Coin Wednesday. So I'm going to look at some of these meme coins. So let me go ahead and stop the music. And we're going to switch over to my Crypto Rally token analyzer. So I brought up a bunch of different tokens. If you guys would like something different, I can go ahead and look at those. But since it is Wednesday, I am going to look at Polywog. So right now, I'm Polywog on my list. Right now is 160K cap, 928 holders, down 12.75% in the past 24 hours. On the 1 hour, it is mildly bullish, and the 24-hour time frame is bearish. So I am going to go ahead and bring up Dex Screener to look at Polywog. And so right now, in the past 24 hours, there's been 55 buyers, 50 sellers. Let's see, in the past 1 hour, there's been 1 buyer, 3 sellers. So let's go ahead and look at the chart. So I was going from this high down to this low. The 618.786 was in this area up here. So I was like, if we bounce, we're going to go higher. So go ahead and delete this, and let's look at the full chart. So we're going to the daily. We want to look at the full chart. So from this high down to this low, 618.786 is in here, 0.0005096. 786 is 0.0006158. So let's look to the downside and see what we're looking at. So I was going from, let's move these because these were resistance levels. We want to find support levels. So what I do, go from the top and down to this bottom, top down to this bottom. And then you see right now, bring this up a little bit, bring that up a little bit. And you can see we're hitting the 618.786 right now, trying to hold this 618 as support. Then you have the support of 786 down here. So that is good. Come down, use the support, and then turn around and head bullish. So we do not want to break this. We're coming down to lower levels. So right now you can see we are holding support in this area. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the RSIs. RSI, you can see they were overextended here, come back down. We're playing right around this 50 level. And this is the daily. So we're trying to turn bullish and come up on the daily. 4 hour, we're coming down. 4 hour stock RSI is at the bottom. Regular RSI is coming down. And the 1 hour, trying to trend up. So like I said, support in this area. They're trying to trend up. So let's see if the 1 hour and 4 hour can turn us around and head bullish. So that is Polywog, but let's go ahead and look at the Twitter. Checking out the Twitter. Right now they have 467 followers, followed by me, 100x Crypto Gems and Crypto Gains. 8 hours ago, it is Wednesday, my dudes. So yes, it is Wednesday. It is Wednesday, my dudes. So now let's go ahead and we'll look at the website. Understand. So I'm going to the website, and this is your website. They have 15,282 clicks on this. So let me go ahead and turn down my volumes. So which one is this? So turn down my volumes because it's going to go crazy. I don't want to blow out your eardrums. So I click me.
It is Wednesday, my dudes. It is Wednesday, my dudes. It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Hey!
It is Wednesday.
Hey!
Dudes.
There we go. That is Polywog. Oops. Turn everything back up. Turn everything back up. Turn the mic up. Higher and higher. All right, so that is Polywog. First coin we're looking at is Wednesday. So now we're going to come back over to my crypto rally analyzer. I'm going to bring up Catcoin. Catcoin is a new coin I was looking at. But so let's scroll down. And now Catcoin, 877K market cap, 3,104 holders, down 29.80% in the past 24 hours. 1 hour is turning around, up 4.42%. Upward momentum on the 1 hour, mildly bullish on the 1 hour. 24 hour is bearish, and it is medium risk token. So you can come down, and it should be the last one. Catcoin. So this is the bull market predictions. So in a realistic bull market prediction would be a 13.16 million market cap. Optimistic is a 43 million market cap, and a moonshot market cap 1000x is 877 million market cap for Catcoin. I'm going to go ahead and bring it up. I've seen other influencers talk about it. So right now, in the past 24 hours, there's been 861 buyers, 982 sellers, 459K of volume. In the past 1 hour, we've had 52 buyers, 87 sellers, 19K volume. Past 5 minutes, we've had 7 buyers, 2 sellers, and 1.5K of volume. So let me go ahead and look at the chart. So you can see I was looking at it for a while. And I went from this top to the very bottom. And you can see that it came up and hit my level between the 786 and 618 resistance. And you can see I tell you that with all my other tokens, resistance area, and you can see it pretty much hit it perfectly in this area as I predicted, or whatever. So we can see a little downtrend here. So downtrend right here. So hopefully we come down and come over and then break higher. Okay, so now looking for downward moves. So let's see if we can find some supports. I'm just going to remove drawings, and because I only care about this current move, I'm going to bring up the daily. You can see I went crazy, so I'm going to go from this bottom to this top right here, and bring this down some. So right here, this bottom, you can come down here, it'll be close enough just to get the zone. So the bottom, I usually go from here, but just for this whole move, but I'm just going to bring it down some here. So major resistance, major support, we want to find supports. So between the 618, 786, and it is currently in that area. So you can see it came down from this whole move and is trying to hold the 618, 786 in this area. So I think when I started, I got in around here or whatever. Of course, took profits. Now it's in a zone. So we'll see what happens. See if this holds and then moves higher. So we'll check. Say this is the bottom here. I'm just going to leave this zone right here. And I'm going to take my fib and go to the bottom, the bounce. So say that is the bottom. Bring this up. So then our next resistance would be 618.76. So here, so this is support, and if it's not support and it comes down lower, then of course the fib's going to change a little bit, but we're just going to pretend that that's the bottom. Come down, I'm going to start saying picking up hitchhikers is going to be my thing. I'm going to say pick up hitchhikers, picking up more people, buyers, and then head to this zone up here would be my next targets. And let's see if that would be like all-time highs. Be breaking that high right here. So this would be the next zone. Find some sellers and then hopefully move higher. So that is what I'm looking at right now. Let's go ahead. 4 hour, not just look at the 1 hour, like looking at more candles. See, we're trying to turn bullish. I'm going to put my downtrend back in here. Right there. If we go long sideways, we should know by tonight sometime, unless it's going to come back, test these lower levels. But so that's what I have for Catcoin. Let me go. I haven't even looked at their Twitter or anything yet. So Twitter. This is Catcoin, the original creator of Catcoin from 2013. Right here, I guess he's supporting it. So there's 796 followers. They have a Catcoin community that has 5.3K members. So they've been posting about Catcoin. And let's go ahead and, I don't know if I did this already. I might have looked at the website and stuff. So yeah, I did look at the website and stuff. So here's Catcoin 2013. So the website looks pretty good. Yeah, I did talk about this already. So anyways, that is what I'm looking at for Catcoin. I'm going to go ahead and end the live stream here, just so I can look it over and see how it went, see if all my levels were good. If you guys like me doing this, go ahead and leave a comment. Please like and subscribe. And again, this is not financial advice, and I will see you in